Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a pretty simple dinner of spaghetti with creamy mushroom pasta sauce. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I typically do videos about Aldi, Dollar Tree, organizing, meal planning. So if you like that kind of thing, please click the button to subscribe below. So the first step is, in my opinion, the most important step. As Julia Child said, don't crowd the mushrooms. After slicing them, take your time to brown them in the pan with just a bit of olive oil. For 8 ounces of mushrooms, I like to do this in 2 to 3 batches, and you can spread these out further in the pan than I did if you'd like. If I threw these in all at once, all the moisture would cause them to steam, and they would develop a very different kind of flavor. By browning them, they develop a much better flavor in my opinion, just so delicious and savory. As they are browning, crush and chop a clove or 2 or 3 of garlic, depending on how garlicky you like things. Fresh garlic makes a big difference, but jarred garlic is fine too. Add some white wine to deglaze the pan of those yummy brown bits of mushroom and garlic at the bottom. Allow that to cool down and sizzle for a bit, and then add your milk of choice. If you use something more watery like I am, here I am using oat milk because that is what we had left in the fridge, you may need to dissolve some cornstarch separately in a bit of milk to thicken the sauce. And how you would do that is separately in a little bowl, mix some cornstarch with a little bit of milk, let that dissolve, and then add that to the pan. If you add the cornstarch directly to the pan, it might just develop a bunch of lumps and clumps that are hard to dissolve. If, though, you decide to use something like heavy cream, you likely won't need any cornstarch to thicken the sauce. To add some cheesy flavor, you can add Parmesan cheese. Here I am adding some nutritional yeast for some rich umami flavor. Add some salt, black pepper, and if you'd like, some thyme and parsley. Lastly, enjoy it over your pasta of choice. I love enjoying this over some linguine or spaghetti. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.